right, this is lesson 3.6, multiplying by one-digit numbers. Our learning goal is to fluently multiply multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm. Write these learning goals down. You want to be able to multiply using the standard algorithm. That means the normal way we multiply. You want to begin by multiplying the top number by the digit in the ones place, regroup when needed, and add the partial products to get the final product. Pause this video and write these learning goals down now. When you have finished writing them down, hit play again and we will continue. All right, we have no vocabulary this time, so let's just go on to some multiplication examples. We have 36 times 7. The way we would solve this is by rewriting it vertically, drawing our line, write our symbol. 7 times 6 is 42, so I want to carry the 4, bring down the 2. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4 is 25. So I write that down in my answer, and I have 252. That's how you multiply. Easy peasy. Let's try some more. All right, now we'll practice the standard algorithm for multiplication. We want to find the product of 347 times 5. So we will write 347 times 5 vertically. 5 times 7 is 35. We carry the 3, bring down the 5, carry the 3, silly pen. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23, so we will carry the 2, bring down the 3. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. So we'll write that down there, and our answer is 1,735. If you got that right, give yourself a pat on the back. If not, make your corrections, and let's move on. All right, now we have 63 times 8. Go ahead and solve this problem, and when you think you have a great answer, turn it back on, and we'll solve it together. We'll see if you were right. Okay, here we have 63 times 8. We're going to write it vertically again. 8 times 3 is 24, so we carry the 2, bring down the 4. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 2 is 50. So our answer is 504. Did you get that right? If so, give yourself a pat on the back. If not, go back and make your corrections, and let's move on. Our next problem is find the product of 274 times 3. Go ahead and pause this, do your multiplication, and we have solved your problem. Turn this back on and we'll practice it together. All right, we're going to write this vertically again. We'll write 274 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12, so you carry the 1, bring down the 2. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22. So you carry the 2, bring down your other 2 for 22. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So our answer is 822. Is that what you got? If so, give yourself a pat on the back. If not, make your corrections, and let's move on. Here's our word problem. A theater has 8 sections with 275 seats in each section. What is the total number of seats in the theater? Go ahead and solve this problem, and when you think you have a great answer, turn this back on and we'll go over it together. All right, we have 275 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40, so we carry the 4 and bring down the 0. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 4 is 60, so we carry the 6, bring down the 0. 8 times 2 is, carried to the 6 and I've erased it. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 6. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Kind of sloppy. I hope you can read that. And so my answer is 2,200 seats in the theater. Is that what you got? If so, give yourself a pat on the back. If not, make your corrections. Let's move on. All right, challenge yourself. Megan has a bookshelf with 7 shelves. If Megan puts 17 books on each shelf, what is the total number of books on the bookshelf? Megan has 129 books that she wants to put on the bookshelf. Will she have enough room to fit all of her books on the bookshelf? Show your work and explain your answer in your journal. Come back to school tomorrow and check your work. So we're finishing up. Review your learning goals. Have you mastered all of them? Do you need to go back and practice or review again? In your journal, write down if you are at a 1, 2, or 3 in your learning. You have completed lesson 3.6, multiplying by one-digit numbers using the standard algorithm. See you tomorrow.